It's a lot of fun.
I always had a passion for cooking.
It's kind of a break from school.
Making different things, preparing different things, learning different skills.
If you pay attention, you get a whole lot more than just cooking.
And look how nice that is. That's just enough to come together. This is level 1, Culinary 1. You don't buy sugar like that. Starts at 9 and goes to 11:54, so it's 3.5-hour class. So what we're going to do is we're just going to kind of go back, forth, go back, forth. This facility is treated no differently than a regular restaurant.
This operates as a kitchen.
We're certified by DHEC. We get 2 to 3 inspections a year.
Make sure that we're doing what needs to be done.
Making sure you're being healthy and clean and sanitary.
Right now I'm cutting chicken. I'm just dicing it a little bit.
So I'm taking the chicken right now and we're just wrapping it around the bacon. So like who wouldn't enjoy like bacon and chicken together?
What do you want the chicken?
The most exciting thing is when they come on a Monday, say, hey, I just made this. This is what I made for my parents. This is what I made for my dad. And they'll make either something we've done in here with a variation, or they just decided to create something different.
We made rice. It was very simple. I went home and I made it myself, and it was just as good.
That's really the best thing, because they're doing what they're being trained to do, and they show enthusiasm for it. What do you think, Ish? Not bad? I just want kids to have some life skills so they could cook for their little brother, they cook for their sister. Whether they pursue it at a post-secondary level or not, I just want them to be able to do something for themselves. They can save money and they can eat better. It's been the greatest 18 years. I got super kids, I have super support from the county. Whatever I need to make the students be successful, it happens here.
I love him. Being in the classroom with him is always fun. Just being around him is fun.
Learning different life skills he teaches us, learning different techniques and different tricks you can use throughout, not just in culinary, but also in your life.
It makes you feel good, because it's why we're here. I like what I do, and I think it makes a difference. I'm here because of the kids. I wouldn't go anywhere else.